So why does that happen?
It happens because the grounding conductor and the neutral have been placed in parallel due to the jumper which has been installed. That is so because the neutral and the grounds are already bonded at the main panel via the neutral bus bar, which means that under normal conditions, when the neutral and grounds are bonded at one spot, current will only flow on the neutral conductor. That is, if the load pulls 10 amps, 10 amps will flow through the load, back through the neutral, and it cannot have a path to the grounding conductor. But with this jumper installed, the neutral current has two paths. It can either be the neutral conductor or the grounding conductor. In this situation, it would be practically, theoretically parallel. And in that situation, you would have current flowing on the grounding conductor and on the neutral. As we can see, we have about 2.5 amps due to this jumper connection on the grounding conductor. And returning on the neutral, we have almost 5 amps. The total load coming in on the hot is about 7.5 amps. With the jumper now removed between the neutral and the grounding conductor, we see that we have the same current that flows on the hot returning back on the neutral. That is the 7.5 amps or 7.5 amps. And we see we have 0 amps on the grounding conductor. And as we see, this is the normal condition. When this jumper is removed, the current which comes on the hot will also return on the neutral. If the current which comes in on the hot is not equal to the current that returns on the neutral, then that means that the current is leaking off, or there's a connection between the neutral and the grounding conductor. So yes, the grounding conductor and the neutral extend from the same point. They share the same point. However, they are not the same in the sense that the neutral carries current under normal conditions, and the grounding conductor, or the equipment grounding conductor, carries current under abnormal conditions. Check my channel out for more on this, and subscribe for more videos.